आमी फील्ड होत एनको साइसो कि 12 years 9 months होत ये सुवाली डेलिवरी कोरिसे माने she must have got married at the age of 11 and a half. Child marriage is actually a very big social evil. Aru last 2 months होत all over the state, not only in Dhubri, गुटे हमोत बहुत action हुई से पुलिस और cases register हुई से and सबे की बेसी case register हुई से धुबरी तो चाइल्ड मैरिज और नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्विस अलपमान धुबरी स्पेसिफिक स्टैटिस्टिक्स में को वो बिसारो it is actually very shocking numbers. 51% is the percentage of child marriages in Dhubri. Mane 1 in 2 girls before the age of 18 they get married. And ये सर्वे तो ये गम हुआ जाबो कि between the age of 15 and 18 28% या तो they are already pregnant and they've already delivered a baby or they are pregnant now. So these are very, very shocking numbers. And Ami field, so at the age of 11 and a half, when you see a girl, she's just a child. She herself is physically a child, mentally definitely a child. Her body is not ready to bear the pains of childbirth. So these are very heartbreaking figures and numbers. So इतिया तो बहुत concerted एक action हुई से आइन ब्लॉक तो आगोते आसिले किंतु इतिया last 2 months हो there has been a concerted police action and registration of cases. तो child marriage is a very complex and complicated issue because there are a lot of connected factors related to it. For example, jodi education or kotha koi, when a girl gets married, she stops going to school, she drops out of school. So we are in a way just ending her childhood. We are ending her dreams, we are ending her aspirations. We are just putting an end at the age of 13, 14, jetiya nijor sambhalibo nuare. How can she handle a family? How can she handle an entire household? We are putting an impossible burden on such a child. And compared to the all India figures, amar jiman maternal mortality rate ase, infant mortality rate ase, when a teenage girl gives birth to a child, childbirth pregnancy or time में बहुत complications हो पारे, even death हो पारे, anemia, excess bleeding. When the child gets born, there is nutritional issues, malnutrition हो पारे, low birth weight हो पारे. And it is not just the girl who is weak, but the child that she gives birth to. The child is also weak. So we are not just killing the dreams of one generation, but we are giving birth to further weaker children. So these are our future. So once we go ahead, this shakes the entire foundation of the society. And jetiya husband or family e gam pae ki she's not completed her education, ye nije to independent no hoy, there is a higher possibility of domestic violence. And jetiya domestic violence hoy, maa devta ke koi ki samaj or laaj or kotha babi alapman to haju koribo lagibo, you have to adjust. So this cycle just continues, sometimes maybe even driving the girl to suicide. So we are just losing an entire generation of girls to this social evil. And once this child marriage happens, her entire individuality is just shattered. I mean, she is no longer her individual. She is supposed to be a mother, she's supposed to be a wife, she's supposed to be the caretaker of the entire family. Apni khudi se ye, how can we fight this? So this is a war, and this is a war which we have no option but to win. And this is only a beginning. So only when a mass awareness is created, police is only one part of it. Mass awareness kenako hobo when logor suwali jodi schoolot na hai. So her friend should tell कि शायद इसका शादी हो गया क्या, तो इसीलिए नहीं आ पा रहे क्या. So this should be reported, and there should be public. बहुत सारे जगह में इसीलिए होता है कि the social norms is that कि बहुत जल्दी शादी कर देते हैं, तो because of which सब लोग करते हैं, इसीलिए हमारा भी घर में कर दिया. बट आजकल तो एजुकेशन में कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है, सब फ्री एजुकेशन से, तो सरकार बहुत सारा सुविधा दे रहा है. सो ये जब तक मास अवेयरनेस नहीं होगा तब तक ये सोशल इविल ख़त्म नहीं होगा। और मतलब बहुत भारी भारी बातें हो गई। सो जैसे रत्ना मैडम ने बोला कि वी आर स्टिल अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेड, तो अभी आज के पैनल में इतना 13 ऑफिसर्स है, और जैसे आपने शुरू किया कि हर फील्ड में विमेन आर अहेड नाउ, हमें कोई दूर ही क्यों देखना है, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ आवर कंट्री इज़ अ वुमन। सो क्या पता ये मतलब माँ देवता तो ये भाभी लगिबो कि मोट सुवाली होबो पारे, मे बी शी इज़ द नेक्स्ट डॉक्टर, नेक्स्ट इंजीनियर, नेक्स्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर, मे बी शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर, मे बी शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंट्री। सो ये जब तक एटीट्यूडनल चेंज नहीं आएगा तब तक इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइट दिस evil. So there should be public celebration of child marriage free villages, and as a war we have to take this and fight it and end the social evil. Thank you.